Welcome, in front of me is Logitech MX Master 4, and in this video I will explain the Haptic Sense Panel of this mouse. So first of all, where is the location of it and how it works? So your haptic panel is located under your thumb when you're holding your mouse like this, and what it does is it basically detects and presses and gestures from your thumb and can trigger subtle vibrations known as haptic feedback. So when you're performing supported actions like activating the actions ring, confirming selections, executing smart actions, or interacting with app plugins, you will feel the small light vibration under your thumb. And these vibrations are generated using carefully engineered waveforms to produce distinct tactile effects for different situations, such as a bump to indicate a successful selection, a buzz, I call it like this, for errors, or a gentle pulse for transitions between screens. And what feedback does it provide? First of all, the actions ring. So if you press the actions ring button, which is located right here, you will already feel the slight haptic feedback, and then whenever you are switching between the options on your screen, you will also be able to feel it. So the next thing is smart actions. This feedback can be assigned to specific action steps, and which I will show you how to do that later in this video. You can do this for file exports, image edits, so basically you can get a tactile cue when automatic sequences run, so that you know when it's finished, for example. Then gestures and screen transitions. So when programmed, moving the cursor across monitor edges or triggering gestures produces haptic signals, helping users locate the cursor or confirm multi-monitor transitions. And the last thing is app integrations. The official software for this mouse, which is Logi Options Plus, has plugins which will become available for you once you sign in this application, and these plugins support applications like Photoshop, Lightroom, Zoom, Premiere Pro, and others. They all use the haptic panel to provide context-sensitive feedback, such as a pulse when snapping a graphic precisely, or vibration for completed video renders, which is also very useful, and I think for content creators it will provide a great feedback when micromanaging your applications. When you're trying to adjust something and you want to be precise with it, this haptic feedback feature is actually incredible. Now, how to customize your haptic feedback in Options Plus? Let me switch to the monitor view. As you can see here, I have the Logi Options Plus. If you don't know where to download it from, it's downloaded from the official Logitech website. It's fully free to use. It's designed specifically for Logitech mice. If you haven't installed this application yet, then do it right now. It's quick, it's easy. And to see your mouse on the main screen of this, on the main window of this application, you just have to connect it using any connection type of your own preference. Now, once you see your mouse right here, in order to adjust your haptic feedback, you have to go to Haptic Feedback tab right here, and then click right here. Now, first of all, switch it on by switching the toggle to the right. Then you can adjust the feedback intensity by selecting one of the available options, and then you can also enable haptic for app plugins. To do that, you first have to install and uninstall plugins. As I said before, in order to install and uninstall plugins, you first have to be signed into this app. So in my case, I have one installed plugin for DaVinci Resolve. And as you can see, we have some we have different actions here, and we actually move to actions ring customization menu. Basically, all of these actions will perform the specific haptic feedback effects when you're using them. Now, also you can enable the actions ring haptics right here. They are enabled by default. The gesture haptics and smart actions, which I will show you in a while. And also you can enable the switch screens haptics, which will give you a slight bump when you're moving between screens or between monitors. So this way you can locate your mouse, your cursor easier when you're using a multi-monitor setup. Now, as for smart actions, you can open them from here, or you can add a new one in points in buttons, just assigning it to some button. Just select a button you want to assign a smart action to, and then select smart actions on this list, and then select create smart action. And in order to add a haptic feedback for some specific action, you just have to click add action and then select haptic feedback. So now we don't have anything like set up for this as an action for this button, but if we save it and we just press this button to which this action is assigned, it will give a haptic feedback. Of course, this way it's useless, but we can still add some kind of actions, like let's open some application, for example Notepad. Okay, so select application, open Notepad, open application, and then once the application is open, I will receive a haptic feedback. And now let's save it. And now once I press this button, the Notepad opens, and I receive the haptic feedback. And that's basically it. I think I got it all covered for now, and I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.